Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can create this plum theme makeup look. Yes, plum theme makeup look. This is kind of dark purple shade, but it is known as plum as I googled. So let's begin the tutorial. So firstly, I'm applying Foxtail Super Glow Moisturizer. I'm sure all of you have seen Foxtail products because they are so trending on Instagram. So let's apply. Now it's time for the serum and I'm using Caffeine Green Tea Face Serum. It's also in so much trending nowadays. It's time for the primer now and I'm using Swiss Beauty ka highlighting primer. Don't forget your neck. Can you see the glow on my face? It is highlighting primer, so I don't need to apply a separate highlighter after this primer because it's a highlighting primer. अच्छा ही है ना, मुझे ऐसे 2-in-1 प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं बिकॉज आपका काम कितना आसान हो जाता है. Now I'm applying foundation and it's again Swiss Beauty brand. So let's begin. Now it's time for the compact powder and again I'm using Swiss Beauty brand. Let's begin. So now I'm taking eyeshadow and for the first eyeshadow I'm taking this raw plum color, this one. I hope you can see that, this one. Now I'm taking this glitter plum, this one, this one as my second and final eyeshadow. I'm using my fingers for that only. Now it's time for the eyebrows. मुझे पहले बना लेनी चाहिए थी but मैं भूल गई बिल्कुल. So I'm using Swiss Beauty का eyebrow and gel eyeliner का palette and I'm making my eyebrows. Okay. Okay, now as I'm heading to the end of my eye makeup, I am using Just Herb's Kajal. This is Kajal from Just Herb brand, and Swiss Beauty ka eyeliner. Swiss Beauty eyeliner. Okay everybody, so now I'm using Swiss Beauty brown shade lipstick. This is Swiss Beauty brown shade Tint Me On lip balm as my blush. Let's begin. It's looking so pretty with this eye makeup. Okay, so now it's time for the final makeup step, and this is applying lipstick. And again I'm using Swiss Beauty brand. इसका मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ रो प्लम शेड. I don't know ये दिख रहा है नहीं. Okay, so this is the shade I'm using. It's exactly matching with the eyeshadow color. Okay, this is Swiss Beauty ka raw plum shade. You can check it out on the website. Let's apply. Alright guys, so this is my final look. Can you see that? I'm looking so pretty. This is absolutely one of my favorite makeup looks that I have ever created till today. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna show you the final look of mine. Wait. Alright guys, I'm in look. कितना सुंदर लग रहा है मेरा मेकअप. Can you see that? Please do comments and tell me what you think of this makeup look, because I am thinking right now that I'm looking so much pretty. Please do comment and tell me about what you think of this look. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.